हेलो फ्रेंड्स, रत्नेश सी एस चैनल में आप सभी का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। वेलकम इन माय चैनल रत्नेश सी एस। अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे नीट यूजी का जो फिजिक्स का सिलेबस है। जस्ट नाउ हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है, इन इंग्लिश मीडियम। आई थिंक दिस syllabus is mentioned here in English medium, so I think I will explain in English medium thoroughly. Syllabus for NEET UG, we can say this is 2026 physics syllabus. Okay, I think in the NEET syllabus or 2026 syllabus, many syllabus are I think many some bit syllabus is excluded from this syllabus. I think in my point of view, just I have heard about that. Okay, there is a syllabus just display on my viewpoint. So we can say unit 1 physics and measurement. Unit 1 physics and measurement. Units of measurements, system of units, SI units, fundamental and derived units, least count, significant figures, errors in measurements, dimensions of physical quantities, dimensional analysis, and its applications. Okay, I think unit 1 physics and measurement, uh, dimensional analysis and its applications. Okay, and unit 2 is kinematics. Unit 2 kinematics, um, the frame of reference, motion in a straight line, position time graph, speed and velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion, average speed and instantaneous velocity, uniformly accelerated motion, velocity time, position time graph, relations for uniformly accelerated motion, scalars and vectors, vector, addition and subtraction, scalar and vector products, unit vector, resolution of a vector, relative velocity, motion in a plane, projectile motion, uniform circular motion. Unit 3 laws of motion, force and inertia, Newton's first law of motion, momentum, Newton's second law of motion, impulses, Newton's third law of motion, law of conservation of linear momentum. Linear momentum, this is linear momentum, and light forward I think there is a angular momentum. Okay, law of conservation of linear momentum and its applications, equilibrium of concurrent forces. This point is that equilibrium of concurrent forces, there is a Lamy theorem is here, I think. Okay, we can say then there is a point of that concurrent forces, non-concurrent forces, and many engineering application of that concurrent forces and non-concurrent forces. I think parallel forces. At that time, I think there is a point of that these equilibrium of concurrent forces of the engineering applications. Many way to be, we can say IITG like. Okay, static and kinetic friction, laws of friction, rolling friction, Dynamics of uniform circular motion. Dynamics of uniform circular motion. This is the dynamics. Centripetal force and its applications. We can say this is the centripetal force. In Hindi, it is called Avikendri bal, right? But my confusion is that. So I am saying I am thinking about that the centripetal force is called upkendran bal. I think, but centripetal force is abhikendri bal, and the upkendran bal centrifugal force. Okay, so there is a point of vehicle on a level circular road. Vehicle on a level circular road. Very important. Vehicle on a banked road. Banked road and level circular road. Why point is that? There is a road is banked and vehicle is driving on that road, and level circular road there is a road is circular and vehicle is driving, I think. Yeah. Unit number 4, work, energy and power. Unit number 4, work, energy and power. Work done by a constant force and a variable force. There is a constant force and a variable force. And it means force is applying on the object is called variable force. Very difficult, I think, variable forces. We can say because force is applying on the object, it is also variable. Like there is a very difficult problems. We can say because in at that point we force is thinking as a just constant force, but there is a variable forces. Many difficult application will be converted in that point. Okay, kinetic and potential energy. Work energy theorem power. The potential energy of spring conservation of mechanical energy. The potential energy of spring conservation of mechanical energy. Potential energy of spring conservation of mechanical energy. Okay. There is a half kx ax square. This is the formula. The potential of energy of spring. Okay. Potential energy of spring conservation of mechanical energy. Okay. This is the point. Conservative and non-conservative forces. Motion in a vertical circle. There is a vertical circle. The motion in a vertical circle. In 2025, there is a question of that vertical circle. Very difficult question, I think. Elastic and inelastic collisions in 1 and 2 dimensions. Elastics and inelastic collisions in 1 and 2 dimensions. Clear लिखा है, clear mention है elastic and elastic. There is a point is that elastic collision when the kinetic energy and momentum is conserved in elastic, and in elastic momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is not conserved. This is the point. 1 and 2 dimension, 1D and 2D. Okay. Unit 5, rotational motion. Unit 5, rotational motion. What is that rotational motion? Rotational motion, we can say there is a point of that when just a motion of globe, motion of our earth is called rotational motion. In Hindi it is called Ghurnan Gati. Okay. Center of the mass of a two particle system. Center of mass of a rigid body. Basic concepts of rotational motion. Okay. Movement of a force, torque, angular momentum, conservation of angular momentum and its applications, the moment of inertia, the radius of gyration, values of moment of inertia for simple geometrical object. Clear mention values of moment of inertia for simple geometrical object. Parallel and perpendicular axis theorem and their applications. Parallel and perpendicular axis theorem and their application. Equilibrium of rigid bodies. Okay. Right body rotation and equations of rotational motion. Okay. Comparison of linear and rotational motion. Unit number 6, gravitation. The universal law of gravitation. Acceleration due to gravity and weight variation with altitude and depth. There is a point, is clear. Universal law of gravitation. Acceleration due to gravity and its variation with altitude and depth. ऊपर जाने पर ग्रेविटी और नीचे जाने पर ग्रेविटी. This is the point in that. Kepler's of planetary motions. T square proportional to r cube. Right. So there is a point that law of planetary motion is point number 2. I think T square plus proportional to r cube is the point. And gravitational potential energy. Okay. What is the gravitational potential energy? Okay. When there is an object just above to earth, then we can say the gravitational potential energy, we can say, because there is a point of that potential energy is to be like in the sthitij urja. So with the point of that object is position is important energy potential energy. Okay. Gravitational potential. Escape velocity. Motion of a satellite. Orbital velocity. Satellite orbital velocity, time period and energy of satellite. There is a point of that satellite orbital velocity, right? Time period and energy of satellite. Okay. Gravitation unit is completed. Unit number 7. Unit number 7 is very vast unit. I think properties of solids and liquids. Elastic behavior. Wow. Stress strain relationship. Hooke's law. Young's modulus. Bulk modulus. Modulus of rigidity. Pressure due to a fluid column. Pascal's law and its applications. There is a air brake, water brake. Yeah, we can say the Pascal law. Pascal law and its application, air brake, right? There is a Pascal law is applied as a air brake, oil brake, right? Effect of gravity on fluid pressure. Viscosity. Stokes law. Terminal velocity. Streamline and turbulent flow. Critical velocity. Bernoulli principle and its applications. Surface energy and surface tension. Angle of contact. Surface energy and surface tension, there are two different things, like surface energy and surface tension. Okay. W equal to T delta A. There is a T is the surface tension and delta A is the like difference of area of surface. Angle of contact. Excess of energy, excess of pressure across a curved surface. I think there is a curved surface, we can say there is a curve. So there is a excess of pressure means the other side of surface and other side of surface there is a pressure difference. This is the excess of pressure of curved surface. Application of surface tension like drops, bubbles and capillaries. This is the point of that surface tension, drops, bubbles and capillaries. Heat, temperature, thermal expansion. There is a point of that heat point. I think heat, temperature, thermal expansion, specific heat capacity, calorimetry, change of state, latent heat, heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation. Is the point of that. Then thermodynamics. Yes, thermodynamics. What is the point? Is that thermodynamics, thermal equilibrium, zeroth law of thermodynamics, the concept of temperature, heat, work, and internal energy. The first law of thermodynamics, isothermal and adiabatic processes, समतापी और ऊर्ध्वस्म प्रक्रम. Second law of thermodynamics, reversible and irreversible processes. ये thermodynamics application is the like mechanical engineer, automobile engineering, like thermodynamics. There is a therma and the dynamics. There is a point of that motion about the therma, heat, right? So there is a thermometer, we can say. Oh, kinetic theory of gases, equation of state of a perfect gas, work done on compressing gas, kinetic theory of gases, assumptions, the concept of pressure, kinetic interpretation of temperature, RMS speed of gas molecules, degrees of freedom, law of equipartition of energy and applications to specific heat, capacity of gases, mean free path, and Avogadro number. Oscillation and waves. Oscillation and waves. Oscillation and periodic motion. Time period, frequency, displacement as a function of time, periodic functions, simple harmonic motion and its equations, phase, oscillation of a spring, restoring force and force constant, energy in SHM, kinetic and potential energy, simple pendulum, derivation of expression for its time period, wave motion, longitudinal and transverse waves, speed of traveling wave, displacement relation for a progressive wave, principle of superposition of waves, reflection of waves, standing waves in string and organ pipes, फंडामेंटल मॉड एंड हार्मोनिक्स बीट्स. यहाँ से हमारा यूनिट 10 कंप्लीट होता है. इसके बाद अभी टोटल इसमें 20 यूनिट्स हैं. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद की आगे की यूनिट हम अगले लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमारी लगभग आधी यूनिट कंप्लीट हो गई है. ठीक है, और इसके बाद अगले हम लेक्चर में अगले पार्ट 2 में रिमेनिंग सिलेबस को डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, तो चैनल वही बात कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें. चैनल बहुत ही अच्छे वीडियोस आपके लिए लेके आते हैं, इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो. और कमेंट सेक्शन में आप बता सकते हैं आपको किस टाइप की वीडियो और चाहिए, तो उस टाइप के वीडियो भी आपके लिए हम लेके आएंगे. क्लासेस के लिए हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कमेंट सेक्शन में नंबर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कर सकते हैं कि इसमें हमने थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन भी किया हुआ है सिलेबस, आधा सिलेबस को. ठीक है, धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.